Good morning, everybody. I'm back again. I made it, and today we're going to look at using our bonds. I talked a little bit yesterday about knowing our number bonds, and we're going to look today at what our number bonds are and how we can use them to help us. So let's get started. Okay, let's have a look. Which of these is not a number bond to 7? Which one of these does not make number bonds to 7? So when we're talking about number bonds are the two numbers that belong together to make a number. So we should know all the ways to make 1, all the ways to make 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We need to know, and there's lots of ways to make these numbers, and by knowing these ways and remembering them, it's going to help us with our maths. Okay, and it's really important. Sometimes we think we just need to know the ways to make the number 10, but we need to know all the ways to make 7, all the ways to make 5, and by doing these things over and over, we will hopefully remember them. All right, so today, at this one, we're looking at the ways to make number 7. So 1 add 6. Can you tell your adult at home, what does 1 add 6 make? If you're not sure, switch it around. 6 add 1. What does that make? 3 add 4. What does that make? 2 add 4 and 5 add 2. Remember, if you're not sure, I always find the largest number. So I know 6, and when we're adding, it doesn't matter which order we do them in first. I'm going to put 6 in my head, count on 1. 6 add 1 is 7. So let's have a look. Ooh, tick or cross. So thumbs up or thumbs down, is that going to go in the bonds to 7? Hopefully you've said thumbs up. Brilliant. 3 add 4. 4 in my head. 4, 5, 6, 7. Somebody's turned the light out on me. Hopefully you'll be able to see me. I might be a bit bright. Okay. 7. Let's see. Thumbs up. Well done. 2 add 4. 4 in my head. 4. Count on 2. 6. Thumbs down. That doesn't make number bonds to 7. 5 add 2. 5 in your head. Count on 2 more. 5, 6. Hopefully you gave thumbs up. 7. Well done. So it's remembering that those numbers make 7. And as we get better and more confident in year 1 and year 2, we will remember those without having to work them out. Which of these dominoes are bonds to 5? So which ones make 5? Give it a thumb up or a thumb down if it makes 5. So 3, thumbs up or thumbs down. Hopefully you gave a thumbs up. 1 and 3, thumbs up or thumbs down. I can see that's 3 and 1, 4. 5 and 0, 0 and 5, thumbs up, it makes 5. 4 and 2, what have you made? 6, thumbs down. 1 and 4, 4 and 1, what's it made? Thumbs up, 5. True or false? So true means yes, false means no. The number 4 has 4 number bonds. How many different ways are there of making the number 4? Let's see. Ooh, Turtle thinks yes, it is true. Do we agree? 1 add 3, yes, is 4. 2 add 2 is 4. 3 add 1 is 4. 4 add 0 is 4. But I'm not sure if you've noticed something, because here, it's a little bit hard to find in the dark. Okay, 1 add 3, I can also write as 3 add 1, so yes. 2 add 2, I can't write that backwards because it would just be the same. 4 add 0, but what have they forgotten? What else could we write? We could write it as 4 add 0, right down at home. How else could we make that look? What else could we write it as? Did you put 0 add 4? We can switch the numbers around. So the number 4 has 4 number bonds. I think it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. They've said 0 add 4 like us. It's false. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different ways, and you need to remember those ways. Okay, so your adult might at home say to you, oh, you're making the number bond 4, 3 and 2 and 0 and. Okay, so job for adults to be testing all the time to see if you know the numbers that go together to make a number bond. Another true or false question. The number 6 has 8 number bonds. So are there 8 different ways of making the number 6? 0 and 6, 1 and 5, 2 and 4, 3 and 3. I said I can turn each of these around and see. So like we just said, we could do 6 add 0, 5 add 1. If I know 1 add 5, I know 5 add 1 makes the number bond to 6. 2 add 4, I know 4 add 2 makes the number bond to 6. 3 add 3, oh, am I allowed to write that again? I can't write it again because it's just the same as what I already have. So the number, oh, somebody's realised I'm still here and they've put the lights on. So don't worry, I'm not locked in. We're okay. There we go, we can see again. The number 6 has 8 number bonds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 number bonds. It is false. There we go, they are just the same. Okay, the number 6 has 7 number bonds to remember. And again, your adult might say, right, we're going to make the number 6, 4 and what? Hopefully you say 2. 5 and, 6 and, 1 and you just need to practice getting quite quick at those. What I would like you to do now is choose your favourite number, any number between 1 and 10, and I want you to have a go at working out all of the different number bonds that you can make to make that number. So if I chose the number, let me try and think, 5, I don't think we've done 5, have we? 5 might be my favourite number, so I might start with 0. 0 is always a really good place to start. 0 add what makes 5? Well, 5, because I've got nothing to start with, equals 5. Now remember, if you know 0 add 5, you can turn that around. So I could then put 5 add 0 equals 5. There we go. Now what number comes after 0? That is less than 5? 1. I'm just going to go in order. 1, add 1 in my head. What goes with 1? And I need to get to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 add 4 equals 5. What can we do with that one? What do we know about 1 add 4? Well, I know 4. Whoops, that's not fair. Oh, Mrs. Eastwood. There we go. It was going so well. There we are. 4, I'm going to put a line through that because I'm not happy with it. 4 add 1 equals 5. And you can keep going. So I would know after I start with adding 1, I'd add 2. Then I might try adding 3 and I might try adding 4. And then I'd be back to doing 5 add 0. So just be careful not to repeat, okay? But the key with the number bonds is remembering them. So you might be really good at working out what numbers you have to add to make 6 or 7, but can you remember them? Now, Miss Davenport set you your work today that I'd like you to work through, but I would also really recommend on BBC iPlayer, if you can watch that, looking at number blocks. And if you choose one of the numbers on there, okay, and you will learn all of the different ways to make that number, and that's really helpful. And even if you watch it over and over again, if you've been really good and you're allowed a bit of screen time, okay, I don't want to get in trouble now, it is really helpful because we just have to learn it, and we have to learn it and learn it so we know off by heart all of the different ways when adding, so that when we see a calculation like 2 add 6 equals, that we won't have to get all our counters out anymore, because you'll know, do you know what? I know 2 and 6 is number bond 8, and you'll be able to just write it down. And that is the aim for year 1, that we know these number bonds really well, that we remember what they make, and it will help us when we have to do maths in our head a little bit more when we go into year 2. So get on with your activities today, okay, and let us know how you get on. Bye. Whoops.